on technology that can mainstream the society. It's a very big help to us. It because it can improve, enhance our society, because nowadays we are using almost AI in our society, and for our future teacher, education education educator, and it can help their lesson plan using AI, because AI technology, because um, that's because the technology is improving, and that's a very big impact to us. And some technology that challenge notions is, for example, privacy and security, because privacy and security is a very big high risk to us, uh, because if we don't have privacy nor security, our social account can be used to another, and it can be involved to a scam. So that's why it's a very big high risk to us. So we need to use privacy and security to engage safety to our account. Thank you.